Welcome back to our channel Mrs. Diva, where we are going to share with you some amazing work from home business ideas. So let's talk about cooking today. A lot of you keep experimenting with food. You watch a lot of videos, you take recipes from your friends, and you are actually amazing cooks. How about you bring this hobby a little further and think how can you turn it into a viable income option? Here are a few ideas that you could follow and start your own small catering or meal box business. So the first point is cater to ladies' kitties. Keep a menu and per person wise price list ready or offer fixed price packages. Kids meal boxes for birthday parties or lunches. You can take up the order and prepare the menu which is fun and healthy for kids. Senior citizen clubs. Usually senior citizen clubs meet over weekends and they need healthy meal options. Prepare healthy meal boxes for them and you can connect with your own society or nearby societies RWAs for this. Next is family get-togethers. A lot of families meet each other and usually working couples look for quick fixes where they could order some home-cooked food without spending a fortune. You can cater to such people and prepare meal boxes or the required dishes and include some different cuisines as well. Next option is daily meals. Working couples prefer ordering out but fall short of healthy options. If you know some good recipes, start your own couple meal boxes. Next point is orders through WhatsApp. Create a WhatsApp group of your clients or prospective clients and post about the next day's menu and prices the evening before so that people can order in advance. This will help a lot of working people or eaters in the locality as they would get home cooked food and you will be able to gradually build your business around it. Now, moving on, cooking classes. If you have space, start your own cookery classes. Teach other women and also create your own YouTube channel for parallel income. Just keep making good videos from your mobile phone while teaching and just keep uploading them on your YouTube channel. Moving on, last but not the least, sell snacks. If you have some good recipes of achar, pappers, diet namkeen or any other such snack that has a good shelf life, then you can just start selling them on your own without any hassle. While you're doing all this, just be sure to keep clicking nice pictures of all your dishes, meal boxes and packaging. This will help you in building up your social media pages simultaneously and you will get more visibility and you'll be able to build up your brand. There could be a lot of scenarios for these meal boxes or catering businesses. You just have to find out the right fit for you and work out a costing which is in your favor and which is good for your clients as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our ideas, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, sisters, mother or any other woman who you think should be financially independent. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comments below or connect with us on WhatsApp or Facebook. Please find all our social media links in the description below. Thank you.